Hello viewers, welcome in another video. As you can see, driving through Monaco following Ferrari Puro Sangue, and so I've now put the navigation with Google Maps to the beginning of the start where the Monaco Grand Prix is. See Puro Sangue, nice spec. So we're driving all the way under here. Here you can see a little bit the background of Monaco. It's really small. So Monaco has a border, and so with France, so we just drove in Monaco, and then sometimes you go back in France, so the car is just saying, oh, you are crossing the border. So that happens a lot of times. But it's nice to drive here because on your way you can see a lot of cars. What's here arrived? I don't know. Oh, G63, by the way, doing a 3-point turn. And let's take a look. Ah, I cannot see it. Then Rolls-Royce incoming. So yeah, welcome in Monaco. This is normal here. It's normal that you have this kind of cars coming through, and the buildings are also really fascinating. Sometimes you have this ancient stuff, and then sometimes you have like, oh, right there we have 300 SLR, no, 300 SL, and then Ferraris. There was yeah, too much, and a 296 GTB. Oh, this is annoying because yeah, you have the speed warning sign, but in the Audis you can turn it off. There we go. So turn off, and here we are entering a red light. But the buildings, as you can see there, a very new building, and sometimes very old buildings. So it's like a mix of yeah, new and old stuff. Yes, we're almost at the start of the Monaco Grand Prix. I'm just curious to see another Macan. Curious to see which cars are coming through. Oh, and that's nice about electric. You see, I'm now in regenerative braking mode, and I'm in 0.3 kilowatt hours for 100 kilometers. Can we get to 0? Yes, there it is. So because we're going downhill, the battery is charging. That is good to know. Okay, here we have to make a right, and then there in the bottom there on the left, there is the start of the Grand Prix track. So let's go a little bit further, and then here we will catch you then. And recording again. This is it, fellas. There is, by the way, a big evenement of horses, but here it is. Here you can see the lines. So you have 22. Oh, by the way, a 911 Turbo S Cabriolet parked here, and this is the starting grid, starting position of the Monaco Grand Prix. So as you can orientate yourself, it's next to the harbor. So later we will come back here, but this is where it starts, and here we have the finish line done, and lap has begun. All right, let's not cross the speed limit, and here we go. So imagine I'm just now driving very chill and very normal, 30 kilometers an hour, but they will fly by here with more than 200 kilometers an hour. Can you imagine? By the way, the buildings of Monaco, very good looking. Now we have to drive up, and then we will come at the Casino Square. So let's go right here and driving up the hill, and it's a very steep hill. We walked it twice also yesterday evening. Whew, man, you will begin to sweat, I promise. And still it's 27 degrees, very humidity is a lot of percentage here, so that you will feel. And again, curious to see which cars that we will pass or which we will follow in a moment, because Casino Square is always very good fun to spot some cars. So here the cars are driving incredibly high. You see the harbor right there. Very beautiful to drive here. Can you imagine driving up here in a Formula 1 car so fast? It must be really sick. That's another dream that we have to achieve, but it's going to be difficult, I think, because there's only 20 oh, sorry, I was driving on the bus lane, and here we go. Here to the right, here you enter the Casino Square. So immediately these are event cars, the full electrics, and here we have some nice things. So Maserati Gran Turismo Cabriolet, then we have 911 Turbo S that we are following. So again, that's normal here, S-Class waiting for someone to be picked up, and this is the Casino of Monaco. So here you are entering the happy place for the car spotters and for everyone that loves a little bit of cars. Sometimes nice cars parked here. Now it's really calm. There we have F8 Tributo chilling, just waiting. We have another Aston Martin DBX. We have Another Pure Sangue of Ferrari. We have Bentley Continental G 4x4 squared. Let's see that people don't have to get over here. Another F8 Tributo in yellow, and in front of the casino is there something parked? No, not yet. So in the evening this is a very good hotspot, and all the nice cars drive through here, so over the casino square. Normally, obviously, when it's Formula 1 they drive that way. So good. Ooh, Rolls-Royce again. Then we have the oldest 911 here, next to the Bentley Continental GT, and then a GTC4 Lusso of Ferrari also parked, and there another Bentley Continental GT with the roof down. Ooh, and a fluo green Huracan. So as you see, a lot of stuff going on here. Then you drive down, so let's be careful here, and here is a very good place if you like car spotting. I really love it because cars come here, but cars come up and go down from the casino. So if you position yourself something here, or I was sitting there a lot of times, you just see everything. So everything, or 99% of cars, that's here. Then you drive down here, and we will enter now the famous hairpin of Fairmont. So not yet this one. You see the curbs, by the way, so we're full on the F1 track right now. Driving down, and there you see the famous Fairmont famous hotel. Always cool to check, by the way, if you're car spotting, that cars parked there are very, very cool, because yesterday there was Aston Martin Valhalla, but shame we cannot see it. Now focus on the track. Here you see beautiful curbstones everywhere. Very cool place to drive. Very nice to do this. Yeah, let's take the corner, let's take the curb. Careful with the poles. And then here they come. You drive on the big roundabout. Oh, give way obviously, and then here they go to the right, take the curbs, and then entering the Monaco tunnel. Here we have the tunnel. Imagine again, if you're driving here with more than 200 kilometers an hour, the sound it should make, especially in the earlier days, it was so loud probably. Oh man, it should be really impressive. But it's very, very cool to drive here. I was dreaming since I was a kid to drive here, to just visit Monaco, and then in a moment we will go back to the starting position. This is also funny because when you exit the tunnel, there's a lot of light coming, so especially with this speed you cannot see anything in a moment. There we have an SLS AMG Cabriolet. Wow, what a picture. And by the way, a lot of mopeds. Look at this. So here we come back with a beautiful view of Monaco. You see the braking area, you see the brake stops, and how every the stuff where they brake. Then they turn here like this, and then they go all the way around the harbor. I cannot drive there now, so I'm taking this cut off. And they come past here with full speed around all the big beautiful yachts, and then they come back in a moment after there. Oh, by the way, another orange Urus is parked here. Good. And 911 in blue. They drive here, all the chicanes, or the chicanes, I need to say, not in the Belgium way. By the way, here we had dinner last night, very good. It was okay. It was nice to sit in the harbor, and the price was reasonably fine. And then we're back here, so they enter there, and then they're back here, and then drive back up to Casino Square. So that was a lap of the Monaco Grand Prix, not fully because I cannot drive in the harbor, but then you had to see, or could see a little bit it. So thank you so much for watching, viewers, and I will see you in the next video. Hello fellas, a very good morning. It is 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here in one of the most beautiful towns, little villages of France. It's Moussier Sainte-Marie. You can hear the church, and what we're going to do now is drive home. And it's around 1,000, I think 1,100, 1,200 kilometers. We're gonna do it electric with Audi Q4 e-tron. So, oh, look, spring water. We need to refuel that, and you hear the waterfalls. But let's see how it goes, and I will film every charger and everything. And here, pop up in the screen of what the drive will look like with ABRP, a better route planner. Ooh, distracted by the beautiness